Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I am a cruelty-free MUE who loves to play with makeup, and of course, if you've been here before, welcome back. Today is this look that I created using the Mixed and Mingle eyeshadow palette from Kleancolor and the palette called Singles Cruise. This is a really good palette. I will give you more information at the end of the video, of course, but as I did a look, I will probably repeat this again. I probably said it in the video doing this look, but of course, if I didn't, you'll get the gist. I did try to do a first impression video using this palette, but if you did follow me on Instagram, you've seen that look. I will come up with one more look just to see how this worked with different shades. I might go with lighter shades, I don't know yet, but I come with this eye look, of course. Very cute, very sexy, and a little bit sultry. Who doesn't love that? But yeah, so very excited to show you guys this look, how I created this look. But I really do like this look. This is very beautiful. This is worth the money if I got more price. I will say yeah, but also I don't know. Tell the truth, I really don't know. But you can get this at Top Off Beauty. Of course, I will put the link down below where you can get this palette. It is on sale, believe still, for $4. And I'm trying to beat my nephew. It's not getting so loud. One of these days, I get my own place. But yeah. So guys, I hope you do enjoy this video. So let's get to this look. Guys, we're gonna use this palette for this look I'm coming up with. Since I'm gonna be working darker colors today, I decided to work with something dark. I did a look that was supposed to be a first impression, but that will be on Instagram if it's not already on there. Just I'll put the picture up here somewhere on the screen. But I'm using this palette. This palette is really good for its price, I believe, but also really quite there. But yeah. I used a Beauty Prep Soak on You eyeshadow primer, already primed my eyes, and I used for my eyebrows. I used a WetnWild brow kit in medium, dark brown. So yeah. So I'm going to work with darker colors, and I said, you know what, let's work with darker colors, but I'm not going to. So we are actually going to go with lightest to the darkest because I want to go gradually, not really dark. So this color, I'm going to use this pastel yellow, and I'm going to use that color just to put a base on there. I don't think this will really show, but I'm not here for it to just. I'm gonna use this shade right here. Looks like a nice dark gray with a blue undertone. So. This will get powdery, but it'll fall out, which I don't mind that at all, because I am just trying to darken this up a little bit as I go. Putting it right here and just blending it up into the outer corner to the inner corner. And with darker colors, you really want to go to the lightest to the darkest, especially if you're doing a really dark look. I like colors that build up more more than anything because sometimes darker colors just like compound like what in the world's going on basically. And you just, I just want to work with that in. Like that. Now, like as I'm working with darker colors, I just fill it up to the darkest. Okay, I'm going to use this shade right here. Just to darken up just a tad bit, not a whole bunch. I really didn't know how these darker colors will work without like if I did any fall on anything like that. For this shade, we're going to use this color just to right here. It's like a nice purple bluish black. A pretty color shade. Just patting it up some. I don't mind this to be like we're gonna let it just same thing on the other side. I'll use this eye pencil from NYX. This is the electric blue. I'm just using this as a base basically. Base more than anything, so I am just gonna blend this out. I'll be using this one right here. I'm gonna use. Okay, I'm gonna use this shade right here because. Fall out, but you know what? It's not gonna hurt anything because got no foundation on. There's a lot of fallout on that. We're just gonna clean that up anyway. I want to finish the face. I want to do my face and everything else and just finish that up and give you the full look. I really do like this look. This is such a cute look, like really sultry. Blue sultriness with, I don't know, I was feeling a little bit dramatic and dark, but yeah, I don't know, I was in the mood. But I really do like this palette. I think it's really good. These two shades right here, well, I should say these two shades right here, are a little bit finicky, a little bit, what I can see right now, it does blend really good, I would have to say. Like, you can tell there's like dimensions in there, which I really like, yeah. And, so I think these are really pretty and everything else. Topping that blue shade, this shade right here, is really pretty, especially that little base I put on there. I did want it a little bit like a nice medium and everything else, but I really do like this palette. I really want to use this more palette. I think I'm going to do one more look with this palette, of course, just to see what these other colors, like these greens and these blues, and I want to work with these two shades, like just trying to get more a versatile look with this. And I really do like this palette. It's very versatile. I think you can really get lighter shades and work with this and everything else. So this is an okay palette. Is it worth the money? If I get it full price, yes. This is so thing. But yeah, so this is not first impression at all. I tried to do that a couple of days ago and it did not turn out right, so I'm just like, nah, whatever, basically. So it's okay palette, I would have to say. Some of the shades are hard to blend, or some of these shades when you blend out, it's like nothing, a little bit there, like there's like you have to pack it on to get it to work. So yeah, and of course all the products I do have used on my face will link below. I do have affiliated links, and I also do have a discount code for Medusa makeup. I used their lipstick in Sugar Daddy. I love this lipstick. I have not used it for quite some time. I thought, you know what, I like to pair this shade to darker colors. Like, this is such a pretty nude. But yeah, Medusa's makeup is all vegan and cruelty-free. So you can get 10% off your order if you use Makeup Addict. $19.92. I will put the code down below. Yeah. But this is the finished look. I love this look. This is very sultry and sexy at the same time. With my hair, just like do this. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more of these kind of looks, please let me down below what colors you want to see and everything else. And also, if you want to be part of the Makeup Addict family, where we are drama free and judgment free and everything on this channel, we just want to play with makeup. That's all we want. That's all we want, just to play with makeup and just have fun, right? Yeah. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. So guys, I love you. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And of course, beauty is fun and could be cruelty free. And God bless. Bye.